Hello everyone, in this video, I am going to walk you through how to add Reels to the profile grid. You can add Instagram filters, GIFs, overlays, music, location tags, and you can also record up to 60 seconds of video using the Reels feature. So without further ado, let's get started right away. So all you have to do is simply swipe right to access your camera, and then to the Reels tab right over here, through which you can customize the audio, speed, effects, and timer, among other things. Let's just go ahead and shoot a little video. Then tap preview, and then select next. You can quickly write a caption right here, and you also can tag people or add location. So after that, simply press share. Wait a few moments for it to upload, and then you'll see that it has been posted. Anyone can watch the video right here, and if you look closely, you'll notice the Reels button. That clip has also been added to the Reels tab too. Now let us simply remove it from our profile grid. To do so, go to the top three-dot menu, and select Remove from Profile Grid. When we go to the profile grid now, as you can see, it's no longer there and has disappeared, but it's still visible in your Reels grid. And, if you don't want that to be there, just select the video, and then at the bottom, there's also another three-dot menu. Press on that, and you can delete it, so it won't be there anymore, and that is how you add and delete Instagram Reels from your profile grid. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you learned something new in this video. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.